Hi friends, I'm back and we're going to finish the wig tonight. I feel like I have a pretty good grasp on the style based off of imagery from episode 8, and I think we can finish it tonight. Won't be completely finished because I've noticed that there are 2 or 3, actually probably 3 little metal clasps in her hair that I'm going to have to craft, so there's that. But I think we'll be able to finish the complete style tonight. Okay, I've got everything laid out and ready to go. So we've got some white bobby pins. We have clear hair ties. We have our wefts that are created. We have the wig ready to go. Other styling tools. I think we're ready. Oh, I do need my hand sewing tools. Now we can commence. So the first thing we're going to do, or I'm going to do, is I'm going to sew in the wefts to the upper part of the crown of the head. And I'm going to sew them directly onto the wig cap right about here. Before we get too far into the styling and sewing, I guess I can break down the style and what I'm going to try to do. So there are a total of 3 braids on each side of the head. And this one I am thinking is mainly the weft I'll add in with braiding into the hair of the wig. We have a braid here and a braid that overlaps all of that here to kind of cover up everything. Okay, let's get started. Doing this one-handed while I record is extremely difficult. But you don't necessarily have to use a curved needle. I just like them. Okay, the wefts are sewn in now on both sides, facing up because I want that lift to go up and over. I have partitioned this section up here for this braid, which is that one. And then this one down here for the one that goes over top and down. Now, the key thing with this style that I'm finding is that it may look tight, but honestly, you kind of want these 2 braids to be a little loose. So then the big one will be nice and clean and tight. So that's what I'm finding right now. So far, it's working out good. Let's work on this big bad boy. And then I'll get one half of the wig done and show you. Okay, after a lot of trial and error, especially with the big braid, I think I've got it. So this is what half of it looks like. Don't mind the pins. When we're done, we're going to take a steamer and heat set everything. So let's do the mirror on the other side. Okay, she needs a little bit of steam to kind of set everything in place, but I think I got it. I think I got it. Take a look. There's the back, other side. I want to play with it a little bit more to get the center, these big braids to be in the back, center back, and pump up a little bit here, but I'm pretty happy with it. Yeah.